Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Here we have to tap on date and time, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options connected to the date and time, however they are inactive, we cannot tap on them. It is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, turn off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping to the desired date. It will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, choose the time you want to use and it will be immediately set. Also, we can change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So find yours and tap on it. So for example, this one. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Of course, it will affect the time. You can also change the time format. You can decide how it will be displayed in the 12-hour format or 24-hour one, just upon the option you'd like to apply. You can also display two different clocks whenever you are outside of your usual time zone. So basically, just tap on the switcher here, tap on set, and you can set your usual residence, and your device will display two different clocks. So the first one with, for example, the time from your hometown, and the second one from the place you're currently in. So this is the customization of the date and time, the manual customization. You can always get back to previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.